So when I was a kid growing up, especially me being an Italian kid, and what's his name, Ralph Macchio was an Italian kid, so I was obviously always a fan of the Karate Kid movie. And now recently we became fans of Cobra Kai, and there's a picture circulating on the internet of the motorcycles of the Karate Kid. We're missing one of them. We don't have the Honda XL 350 or 650.
It's the XL 600R.
What is it?
The XL 600R.
XL 600R, but we have the Interceptor and the DR 500 from the Karate Kid. We're gonna post it. We're gonna put the picture in the video so you guys can see. But here they are, a 1983 DR 500. Not even joking around. I really want anybody that sees this video to find one of these bikes and show it to me. If you find one, I'll buy it. But I will pay you, honestly, if you find one. We've looked. How hard have we looked for one?
We've looked for so long. Couldn't find any.
You can't even really find any information on these things. We got this on a trade. And then this one. Show you right here what this is. 1985. Johnny Special. What's his name? Johnny what?
Johnny Lawrence.
Johnny Lawrence Special. You gotta be a real badass like Johnny Lawrence to ride this thing.
I gotta get the red leather jacket.
I know, you need the red members only jacket. Here they are. This is our Karate Kid photo shoot. The VFR is a very fun bike too. Doesn't really compete with modern street bikes, but it's little, it's light, it's nimble, it handles good, and it's still fast. I mean, it's still what, a 700 or 750? 700?
V4.
It flies. And the DR is surprisingly fun.
500 single. Yeah, 500 single.
Yeah, so I guess you would call that a big bore 500. I really want the people on the Suzuki, vintage Suzuki motorcycle page to reach out to us though and tell us about this bike if anybody knows, because we can't find any information on this thing. Nick's gonna fire this baby up for us so I can show you how she sounds. It's amazing that this bike is a 1983. She's got a lot of compression. See that? She's idling a little high at the moment. Today's January 19th, 2021. So it's pretty cold out. We're in Pennsylvania, so you can imagine. Alright, so this one has 11,000 miles. Just this past summer, we put, through Nick and I, well, and Luke also, we put over 1,000 miles on it just riding around here around the country. And this one, believe it or not, has 54,000 miles and it still runs perfect, and the whole bike is flawless. So I don't know what kind of mileage people get out of these Hondas. I think everybody knows that Hondas are known for their reliability. This one always fires right up for us and rips. I don't even think she smokes or anything, does she? Alright guys, we're back at our shop. Nick and I just got done taking a little January wintertime rip on these bikes. A lot of people might think we're corny nerds for trying to do a Karate Kid bike photo shoot, but we think it's cool. We dig it. We got a lot of enjoy out of watching Cobra Kai, so when we found out we had bikes that were in a picture in the original Karate Kid, we were excited. we thought it'd be funny to just do this little video. And now I'm on a mission looking for the Honda XL 350, 600, whatever. I'm not even a huge fan of those bikes. They're kind of lame in my opinion, but my 650 is over here, in progress, under construction, but that's a real 650 for you.
Oh yeah.
KLX 650. And all the parts for that are scattered on this table, unfortunately. We're waiting on a clutch cable from England. Hey, Jack.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Guys, please subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.